Hello, I'm back for another video for our week 5. Now I'm going to, if you recall my first video, I said I'm going to send another video about APR and EAR. Okay, I want to confirm that calculation required. In this, that is in our class notes about interest rates, just 2 slides. I'm going to talk about 3 things. Number 1, the annual quoted interest rate. For example, from your housing loan officer, they will give you a quoted annual rate, and the name is annual percentage rate. Does not include compounding, which means it does not include the time value of money. So in your calculation, you cannot use this one right away for calculation if the compounding period is not in a year. If it is not a year, you need to convert APR to the periodical rate. The periodical rate is your compounding period. So we use the examples. APR is, for example, 12%. Okay, so if your compounding period I use different colors. Okay. Number 1, daily. Number 2, monthly. Number 3, quarterly. Number 4, semi-annually. And then number 5, I can go with biannually. Okay, so each period is a day, a month, a quarter, 6 months, 2 years. Then M, which is the number of compounding period in 1 year. For the daily compounding will be 365. Monthly compounding will be 12. Quarterly compounding will be 4. Semi-annual compounding, it will be 2. Well, for biannual compounding, how many compounding period in 1 year with a 2-year compounding period? 0.5 or 1/2. Then your periodical rate will be APR divided by M. So you have a daily rate, which is your APR divided by M, daily rate. And you will have your APR divided by 12. You have your monthly rate. Well, for your quarterly compounding, APR divided by 4. Quarterly rate this is APR. I just to save time. Okay. Well, in this case, 2 times APR. Okay. Because APR divided by 1/2 is 2 times APR. Number 3 in section 6 discussion will be, how do we get EAR? It is an effective annual rate. What is the effectiveness about? Include it includes compounding. That means if we give 1 year period, compounding with your periodical rate will have the same future value with compounding using EAR. Then how do I calculate EAR? From this one, I will have 1 plus APR divided by 365 to the power of 365. I compound it daily. Compound it for 365 days equals 1 plus EAR to the power of 1. Daily, days, annual, years. Same thing, I can do the calculation. From monthly compounding, it will be 1 plus APR divided by 12 to the power of 12. I compound the 12 months and it equals my EAR. Still to the power of 1 because it's 1 year. I will go with quarterly. 1 plus APR divided by 4 to the power of 4 equals 1 plus EAR to the power of 1. And if I talk about semi-annual, I can have 1 plus APR to the power of divided by 2 and take the 2 power 2 equals 1 plus EAR to the power of 1. The last one, it will be 1 plus 2 times APR. Okay, and don't forget, now it is 1/2 equals 1 plus EAR to the power of 1. And the last thing I want to remind you from section 6, from the subsection 6 is the last page. For the same given APR, when the compounding period is going up, from our calculation, you can check the EAR actually, the effective annual rate, include compounding, will keep going up. So the more frequency you are compounding, the higher return, the higher effective return you can collect. That's it.